Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, so you can put me in the comments, what do you think has happened to the engine of this van? I'll explain. This van has a little more 20 years old, it is, turbo diesel, and some time ago, in a review that we did in the workshop, we told the owner that the turbo had a lot of clearance and that he should change it, but the owner, well, he preferred to wait a bit, and yesterday, he was working outside with the van and all of a sudden his engine revved up and he tried to stop it but he couldn't. And in the end the engine stopped by itself. He crouched down at the front of the car and sent us this photo, to ask us if this is serious. Put me in the comments, what do you think could have happened to it? Looking at what you see in this photo, okay? Well, here is this video, if it has been useful, so do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.